Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make a text sliding effect using HTML and CSS. So first, go to your HTML. Then create two divs. And inside these divs, I'll create a H1 that says hello, another H1 that says Alu, and another one H1 that says hello, and I'll give this div an ID of S. So now if we reload this, you see that we have all these. Now the key to this is that I'll go to the hashtag S, I'll set the overflow to hidden, and then I'll set the height to 4 rem. This overflow hidden, it will basically just hide, it will hide everything that is not inside the element. So since the other text, let me go here, let me go here. It's at this div, you see that this blue box is its width and height. Anything that is outside of this blue box is not going to show. That's basically what overflow hidden does. So now, once we do that, I'm going to go to hashtag S div do. No, I'm not going to write do. So I'll write hover. Hover greater than div. I can set the margin top to 100 pixels. And the margin bottom, I'm also going to justify content. Wait a minute. I forgot to set the display to flex. I don't see. Display is flex. Flex direction is column. And then justify content center, which is basically going to put this alu in the center. Alu. So now that we've done that, we can add a smooth transition to it. So you can set the transition to 0.5 seconds. So anyways, it seems like the transition doesn't work with the margin top. I'm going to do position 0, 10 pixels. Yeah, it's meant to be true. Translate 0, 10 pixels. Now you see that it's moved a bit. 40 pixels. $60 pixels. There we go. And I'll set the transition to 0.5 seconds. Now you see that we have the smooth effect. Now instead of recreating it here, I'm going to write hashtag sHoverDiv. I'll set the transition to 0.5 seconds there. Now I'm going to align item center. And I'll set the body's display to grid. I'll place items on the center. I'll set its height to 100 SVH. Now it's centered. Oh yeah, now I'm going to increase the size of the text to, let's say, font size for REM. Into 5 REM. Let me increase it to 8 REM. This is 9 REM. Then let me just change this value. And there we go. Now next I'll choose a better font, so go to Google Fonts. Roboto, get font, get embed code. I get the @import link, and I'll copy the URL. Paste URL here. What? Yeah, semicolon, and I'll go here, set the font size to Roboto. No, I was meant to set the font family to Roboto, not the font size. Next, I'm going to give it a text shadow. On the text shadow 0, 2px, RGBA 0,0,0,0.5. Let me increase this 4px. Let me also increase the size of this to 10 REM so I'll be able to fit everything. Lastly, I'm going to change the body's background color to crimson. I'll change this div color to crimson. To make it a bit darker. make the text shadow less intense. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel ObaCode. Bye.